Welcome to this video study on Surah Najm, the star, based on Tafheem al-Quran. The title is drawn from the powerful opening verse, by the star, when it descends. For 5 years, the message was shared only in secret in Mecca. The Quraysh tried to prevent the public from hearing the Quran, fearing the magnetic pull of the divine word. Then, in the month of Ramadan, the Prophet stood in the holy sanctuary and proclaimed the surah publicly. The sheer majesty of the opening verses stunned the mixed audience into silence. The surah opens with Allah swearing by the cosmic order, by the star when it descends. This validates the messenger, showing the message is pure revelation, not his own desire or imagination. The messenger spoke from sight, not conjecture. He witnessed the angel Jibreel in his true form. The heart did not lie about what it saw, establishing that one cannot dispute what a man has witnessed with his own eyes. The surah confronts the idols of Makkah, Lat, Uzza, and Manat. It declares them mere names without substance, invented by ancestors, possessing no authority to benefit or harm. The surah corrects the grave error of the Quraysh, who believed angels were Allah's offspring who would automatically intercede. Angels are servants, and intercession is Allah's prerogative alone. The foundation of belief is clarified. Disbelievers follow conjecture and their own desires. Believers follow the knowledge sent down by the Creator. Reality does not bend to human whims. Allah is the sovereign judge. He judges not by claims of self-purity, but by the sincerity of the heart. He rewards the doers of good with goodness, and His forgiveness is vast for those who avoid major sins. This message confirms eternal truths found in the scrolls of Musa and Ibrahim. The core message is that no bearer of burdens shall bear the burden of another, and man shall have nothing but what he strives for. The surah uses history as a warning, reminding the Quraysh that Allah destroyed mighty civilizations like Ad, Thamud, and the people of Nuh for their rejection of the truth. The warning intensifies. The hour has drawn near. Only Allah can avert the coming judgment. The surah asks, "Do you then wonder at this recital, and you laugh and do not weep?" As the Prophet ﷺ recited the final verse, "So prostrate to Allah and worship Him," the majesty of the divine word overwhelmed the gathering. Friend and foe, believer and chieftain, fell into prostration. The news of this mass prostration spread, causing many immigrants in Abyssinia to return to Mecca. Later, the Quraysh fabricated a lie to explain their moment of weakness. Surah An-Najm is a light in the dark, distinguishing conjecture from truth, affirming the messenger's vision, and demanding submission to the Lord of the worlds. Worship Allah, the Lord of the star.